To all those who know us and to all those who don't. Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat sri akal. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to the Bro Vlogs. Let's go. To begin with, हम काम पे हैं अभी. I know you're distracted from the sound behind me. The tires are screeching, the tires are burning, there's oil smell all around the place. I know right behind me you have cars drifting. But before we talk about the event, let's talk about the place first. Let's go. So before we talk about the event, let's talk about the place. We are at Taneja Aerospace Aviation Limited. This is basically a private racetrack. It could be an airstrip where you land your planes. Basically, it is known for the Bangalore's richsters to park their private jets. Now let's talk about the event. That's Zubair Ali Jang over there. We'll talk him. We'll give a try. We'll take an interview of him. He is a crazy guy known for the word sax life. So to talk about the event, this is a place. This is an event where people have given their heart and soul to make their machine run crazy on tracks, cover quarter miles on seconds. So बहुत इंग्लिश हो गई, थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करते हैं. सबसे पहले मेरे शूज देखो आप. ब्लैक शूज थे मेरे, इतने गंदे हो रखे हैं अभी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉप्स एंड बैंग्स. होंडा सिटी के आपने देखे, मैं डालता हूँ वीडियो अभी. द टाइम इज अराउंड 12:20 नाउ एंड द इवेंट इज called as Vroom. So this is the 11th edition of Vroom Meetup and we were invited to make a vlog basically. तो बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा एड्रेनालाइन है. जैसे कि आप सुन सकते हो बैकग्राउंड में बहुत सारे रेसेस चल रहे हैं बैकग्राउंड में. एंड the speciality of this Vroom drag meet event is you can never judge a bike or a car from what it looks like. Now this could be a normal TVS N-Torque, but there is a N-Torque which is competing with Hayabusa. So you can never compete the bike's capacity on the looks. So you can basically इधर आप कह सकते हो कि don't judge a book by its cover. Not sure if you can hear me here, but you have folks and clowns everywhere. You have everyone in your closet. This is how it goes when you're surrounded with cities. The OG JDMs of India, of Honda, the Japanese engine. You guys can call this as a city. There's a city here, there's a city there, there's a city there, there's a city here. Everybody tuned to Fox and Banks. Crazy about it, guys. Now I explain me there's a guy here, so us can understand who are interested in this field. This might sound like a noise, but this is crazy. So as I told, right next to me you have this crazy mod. जैसे कि अभी mods करना illegal है, but इस जगह पे everything is legal in terms of modification. There are crazy modifications happening. People have worked years to modify their car. There are 2-strokes engine racing with Super Buzas and Hayabusas, with supercharger cars and supercharger bikes. So it's a next level event. अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको. There is a 2-stroke RX, I guess, which is competing with Hayabusa. Let's go. So these are the 2-strokes competing with the 2-stroke again. This is a 2-stroke category, but if you see right behind, there's the Ducati Panigale and a 2-stroke waiting. So they will be competing now, as I told you.
So here we have a 2-stroke, 2-cylinder engine and a Ducati Panigale. And now we have the drag races of the cars. There's a Mitsubishi Seria and Audi RS5 Coupe, I guess. And there goes the Audi RS5. Or rather a BMW and Audi TT. Just look at this Audi, how it takes up. Just like a plane.
So this is the only Audi which has a twin turbo V8 engine generating more than 1600 horsepower.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
इंग्लिश में इसे ऐसे बोलते हैं, अभी हिंदी में कैसे बोलना है मैं नहीं जानता, बट जब आप इस पे बैठोगे और चलाओगे ना इस ऑडी को, मतलब हम तो मतलब यू नीड लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस टू मेंटेन एंड हैंडल दिस कार, बट जब बैठ के यू हैव दैट एड्रेनालाइन किक इन इट, damn, this is the only fastest car in the entire country, in India, the fastest car in the country. Just look at it. Look at those twin turbos behind. That's where the horsepower is. Screaming 1600. Damn.
जैसा कि आप सब ने अभी देखा ऑल द ड्रैग रेसेस विच टुक प्लेस एंड ऑल्सो जस्ट लाइक हाउ फैजान सेड डोंट जज अ बुक बाय इट्स कवर विच इज़ समथिंग थ्रू हियर बिकॉज वी सी टू स्ट्रोक्स कंपीटिंग विद सुपर बाइक्स विच इज़ समथिंग नेक्स्ट लेवल. ऐसा नहीं है कि टू स्ट्रोक्स वेर लूजिंग बट दे वर गिविंग अ टफ कॉम्पिटिशन टू द सुपर बाइक्स बिकॉज the kind of potential and the kind of heart and soul given by the riders to all the mods done to the two strokes shows their love towards the two stroke engines, which is something related to us because even we love two strokes and mostly super bikes right now. But so right now because of this we'll be heading towards the two strokes lineup. And also if you can notice background में आपको शायद pops and bangs सुनाई दे रहे होंगे because यहाँ पे बहुत से different जगहों पे different categories के इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं, जैसे कि ड्रिफ्टिंग हो रही है, पॉप्स एंड बैंग्स हो रहे हैं, हेड स्पिन्स हो रहे हैं और स्टंट्स हो रहे हैं और ड्रैग रेस भी हो रहे हैं. इंशाल्लाह हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे कि हम सब कवर करें, बट राइट नाउ विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द टू स्ट्रोक लाइनअप.
That's the pure two-stroke sound right there. As you can see, these are competing with the super bikes. Here's the two-stroke lineup.
And there is a lineup of the super bikes as well. I'll show it to you.
That's a supercharger. That's how it sounds.
अच्छा, now we will be heading towards जहाँ पे सारे mods इकट्ठा हुए हैं. It's not a part of competition, but yeah, it's a car culture. Pops and banks चल रहे हैं, and if you can notice people and how they cover their ears. And this is a beauty right in front of you. Look at this mahol, guys. I don't know if you can hear us, but this is how the car culture is. People are dancing on pops and banks. You have crazy mods ahead. Let's go. So this is one of the sickest modified BMW I have ever witnessed in my entire life. Just look at it. And one more thing to notice is people have invested double and triple of the price of their car on the mods. जैसे कि ये पुल अभी जो सामने खड़ी है, शायद इस बंदे ने इस पे 4 लाख को लिया होगा, but the modification he has done is more than 8 lakhs. And Vroom was rooming until this black Corvette from Oman showed up.
Let's smell some burning rubber, guys. Let's go. You see all these tire marks, ये सारे rubber फट के पड़े हैं. And the main thing of drifting is you burn the tires. You see that? एक टायर गया अभी दूसरा टायर डालेंगे फिर से ड्रिफ्ट होगा. Next level. These are some of the bike stunts. And to be precautious, do not try this at home, school or anywhere. इसकी भी एक अलग एड्रेनलिन है, इसकी भी एक अलग रश है, इसका भी एक अलग मजा है. As I told you, it's a place for car and bike enthusiasts.
Well, this is the lineup of all the supercars. There is a Porsche, there is an Audi, there's an Octavia RS, there is a Defender, there's one more Porsche, there are Audis and etc. पर अभी हम चलते हैं रेस ट्रैक के पास, जहाँ पे रेसेस तो नहीं होने वाली, but we'll see which is the fastest supercar on the track and which is the fastest superbike. So you have all the supercars getting parked at one place. There is a Porsche GT3 RS and there is an Audi R8. The beast is getting warmed up.
Welcome everybody to the 11th edition of the Indian Oil Stormex Vroom Drag
अभी ऑडी को एक और चांस दिया है टू ब्रेक इट्स ओन रिकॉर्ड बिकॉज द वन which it made in the previous round was the fastest in the entire Vroom 11th edition.
So she is Sarah Khan on Hayabusa. I really want her to win. I have been following her from quite some time and I really have a huge respect. बहुत ही calm and बहुत ही great rider है. She is a national level champion. She is a drag racing champion. I would really love to talk to her if I get a chance. Let's see. I really want to win her right now.
That's Sarah Khan right there, and look at her go. And she's gone. Damn guys, that's the fastest on the track right now. The fastest female on the track. I'm so happy for her. Mashallah.
With an accident.
So as you can see,
how was it? How did
फैजान
it
अभी
go?
उनसे बात कर रहा है और literally he is
Yeah, I saw
shivering
your
right now.
post recently in
Because
TVS
she's one of my
race
inspirations.
track. Are you a Bangalorean or you Mumbai? I really have no words. I don't know how to
Asking for the
explain. I have huge respect to you.
अच्छी बात है.
You're following your passion. I have no words. I just have no words. Can I take a photo with you?
Now this is a voiceover. Well, I had so many questions to ask her and I have no idea why I told I don't have any questions. I was literally speechless. It was a fan moment to me and I don't know why we closed our eyes here.
This is Zubair Ali Jung. This is his bike, the fastest recorded history. So we are with Zubair Ali Jung.
Yeah, Spider-Man!
He is an actor, he is a racer, he is a comedian for life. He is known for Sax Life. So I have 3 questions. 3 questions है मेरे को आपके लिए.
इसमें कुछ कैश प्राइज मिल सकता है क्या जैसा KBC?
Cash prize वो Monster Energy sponsorship
अरे
करते हैं.
पी को छोड़ क्या?
What is your takeaway in racing and why did you get into it?
My takeaway in racing is love from the public, and what I get from here is love and affection. That is more important for a rider because he puts his heart on energy for the motorsports, and he needs to get that attention, attraction, and people should love his things and they want him back and again and again. I didn't want to come, but still I came only for the people because what I got from here is the love and the support for the motorsport. What we have, yeah, Sax Live.
We wanted you to come even if you didn't want to come. We wanted you to come.
How sweet! Thank you so much.
Second question. Is it the ride or the rider? I know it's a tough question, but
It's a rider. Yeah.
third question. What inspired you?
Don't tell me if I'm married or not. I'm a bachelor.
Oh, हक से. Sax Life. Okay, yeah.
अगर कोई लोग बोले मेरी शादी ना बातों पे मत जाना यहाँ पर गलत अफवाह पहले I'm a bachelor. Yeah.
What's the concept of Sax Life?
Sax Life, the concept is now you want to go to bathroom immediately. Okay? You're going here, you're going there, you're not getting the place. Second,
So you shit in your pants.
1 minute, hold on, control. Second, you are married.
Okay.
ठीक है? And you're about to go to the room, your friends stop you. Nah, नहीं, भाई तो देखे जाना. You stop.
Correct.
Then when you're about to enter the room, stop. Third, you get stuck in police station. And the police fellow is hitting you behind your bum.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
No, play all 3 together. The feeling is called Sax Life.
समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो ना बस यही है
Please do follow them, subscribe them because they're giving the subscribers KFC bucket and they're giving some nice idli vada.
We haven't sponsored him for this.
He's giving some chais, coffees, and he's going to give them, promise them dates in Goa with Bipasha.
क्या बोल रहा ना बात में.
नहीं ये सच्ची है पैसा बहुत है इनके पास है पर ये जज्बा है
अम्मी अब्बा देखती वीडियो हमारा.
अम्मी अब्बा अस्सलाम वालेकुम बहुत अच्छे बच्चे पैदा करी अभी एक 4 बच्चे पैदा करते
ultimate track
प्यार से बन जाता है इनकी शादी अभी करो ना को इनकी शादी अभी करो ना शादी करो कौन भी खुश नहीं.
Anyways, thank you for your time. Really appreciate it. All the best for your career. We really respect you. We really support you. We love you. Shukriya. Thanks a lot. So this is the bike where Vroom started.
The pencil bike.
The pencil bike. 11 साल पुरानी bike है and is still kept in the pristine condition. You want to talk about it?
So this is how the origination of Vroom has happened. So यही बाइक लेकर फर्स्ट रेस के लिए गए थे और आज हमने अटेंड किया था 11th edition of Vroom. So this
And
has
you,
come a long
and you saw
way.
how big Vroom has become.
Yes.
This was the origination,
And
and
the
you saw how
craze.
it has become. Crazy story, crazy history behind it. Well, so the event comes to an end. So let's end the vlog as well. Andhera ho rakha hai. We have the only light which is facing us left. As Zubair bhai said, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We really hope you enjoyed this content. ये थोड़ा अलग था, something different from what we usually upload. Inshallah, we'll be having new vlogs coming up. Maybe
More to go.
Yeah, or maybe on Andaman and Nicobar Islands. वो delay इसलिए हुआ because we had this event and we had to post it as soon as possible after the event ends. We have a car bike coming in. Well, that was a little distraction. Well, थोड़ा soothing था वो, it wasn't a distraction. Let's end the vlog. Let's conclude it. Do you wanna go for it?
So as you all know, we do need your support to get this channel up on the charts. As also Zubair bhai said, please do support us, like, comment, share, subscribe, do everything because it's you who has to do it. And we'll be
अब की
delivering
बार
our
400
content.
पार
और
हो
हाँ,
गया है.
अब की बार 400 पार हो गया है. तो अभी
Next goal is 500, and
तो-
it's you who has to do it.
तो
So yeah, bye bye, take care, Khuda Hafiz. We'll
Allah
meet you in the
Hafiz.
next vlog. Maybe it's just me again with Andaman and Nicobar.
and then
Until then,
we'll both come together. So also to all the people out there who think I don't speak, watch this vlog. This is all
आराम से, chill out bro. Anyways guys, peace out. थोड़ा बड़ा गया आदमी.
ओवर एक्टिंग करता है साला. अब तेरे को बराबर होता नहीं क्या बोलने को? एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग.
Hey, start है भाई. Oh, ले दो.
ओए मचा क्रेजी रे. घर पे छोड़ जाएगा कुछ